Meaning of English rose.
English rose.
English rose.
English rose.
English rose. English rose is a term used to describe a fair-skinned, rosy-cheeked woman who embodies traditional English beauty. The phrase originated in the 19th century, when the flower known as the English rose became a symbol of England and its cultural identity. It has since been used to describe both physical beauty and a certain ideal of English femininity, with connotations of elegance, refinement, and innocence. Today, it is often used to refer to a particular type of pale pink rose, as well as to people who exemplify the qualities associated with the term.